This video is going to be about starting your stones for the first time. These are water stones, so I've taken them out of the box. These are actually used already, so just showing you the backs. They're labeled, so you don't have to worry about the ink coming off the front there. So once you use them, the ink will come off, and you will be left with this. So the first thing you want to do, since these are water stones, is get some water. You don't need a bucket this big, but generally I get a bucket and I soak them for about 3 to 5 minutes before. Just as I'm getting set up, the first thing I'll do is I'll get the water on them. Some of them are thirsty, the 220 is, or the 180, so just drop them in. Put them face up, face down, doesn't matter, and they'll start absorbing. You notice that they might bubble a little bit on some of the other stones. Choceras generally don't. Just pop them in there. You don't even need this much water. It's actually a little bit too much. So that's the first thing you do as you're getting set up to sharpen. Then you clamp your knife, and then when you pull these out, you're ready to go. So when you pull them out, you'll just need to keep it alive as you use it. I got a little spritz bottle of water, and just as I'm sharpening, you'll see in my videos as I'll go in there and I'll spritz it like just once, just to keep it alive. So that as you're going, you just want to keep them somewhat wet. You can use it also to clean off the swarf and things like that as you're sharpening. So we'll get into that more in a little bit. But the first thing you want to do is soak the stones, get them ready for use. Then when you're ready to use them, pop them in the stone holder. They're ready to go, and you can just, again, add like 1 spritz of water to keep it alive, and then sharpen.